today's Saturday vlog out here. It is cold. I just went on this floaty that has water in it because we got our slip and slide out, in case you didn't know. We will do a few videos soon, but our hose pipe's broken, so we have to get that fixed and then we can work this out. But yeah, starting today's Saturday vlog, and first of all, it's coming up to like 11 a.m. and we have just come out. No, we've just like gone up, everybody, and we're just about to head up, like done our morning routine and got showered and everything, and now we're going to be going to a type of like car boot sale, but inside, because it's been very hot, but it looks like we've got grayish skies, so it's going to be inside. So we're just going to go there, but we're not going to film because obviously some people don't want to be filmed and it's just going to be quite awkward and all that stuff. So then afterwards, as you can see in the title, it's going to be something cool. So we'll see you guys when we're back. So guys, we're back, and I'm just about to put like some sun lotion on. It's not looking that sunny today. Like, look up in the skies, but it's fine. And I'm just gonna make some costume underneath, and we'll see you guys there. So now we're at the park with you two. Hi! Grace. Hi! And then we got Honey here. And then we got little Alice. Are you being camera shy today? What's going on? Is it her first Grace? No, it isn't. It's her second time on a video. Come on, let's go. Come on in, Grace. Let's run to the first thing that we want to go to. Those two are going up there.
Do you want to go first?
Where's Grace going? Right down there. What are you doing?
Going on the swing.
Cool. Go in here, girls. Come on up in here.
Let's go in here. I'll go in this one.
Shouldn't you go in the baby ones?
No.
No, I mean Alice. Should you go in the baby ones?
No, this one.
This one? Are you sure? Okay. Who wants to go in the web?
Me.
Get in, honey. I'll push you. Don't worry. Grace, get in.
She's chasing a butterfly.
Butterfly! Butterfly! What? Oh.
Alright, can you get on? Can you get on? Can I help you on? Oh, there we are. Oh, my head.
Woo!
There we go. Oh, you ready? Yeah. Hold on tight. We're going.
Whee! That's enough, honey.
What about me?
Let's go on something else now, girls.
Okay, we'll stay on here.
You two can go in there. Grace, let's give them a tour of the park. Let's go on this first.
Let's go on this.
You just look after Alice, and I'll go with Grace.
Yeah.
Right, let's go up in here then.
Let's go on here. So I'll go on.
So, you lead it. Go in here. Oh, get in here with me.
Okay, I'm coming in. I'm in here now.
Alright, let's go up here.
I'm gonna go up. You just hold me again. Okay.
What's up here? I don't know if the camera has much space, so...
And then we've got this.
Here, down here it is, so that's a climbing frame.
So
Then
this is
here's
a
the slide.
here.
Yeah. You have to be very careful because you could slip at any time and fall down there. So we have to be super careful, don't we, Grace? Right, get down, because I've only got one hand. And we have to be quick, Grace. Right, now let's go down here. Yes, I made it. So now we're going...
You need to hold on the top, don't you? Right, so put your head down.
Go! Right, now let's run to the next thing, which is the zip wire. But no, Grace, somebody's using that, so we're not going to go on the zip wire yet. But we can go on this. Okay, I'm following you. I don't know where Honey and Alice have gone to. Where are we going on now? Here? And the water bit is over there, but we're going to get changed for that soon after this, aren't we?
Yeah, and I'm going to have to go in the back.
So we're going to have some more fun without filming now, okay? And we'll see you guys at the water thing. We're just on this big net thing now, okay? So we're just going to say goodbye for now. We'll see you guys later, yeah?
Yeah.
Say see you later.
See you later.
It's Grace's go on here. Get on. Yep. Come on. Now go! Woo, honey! Let's go through this tunnel now, yeah?
Yeah, let's...
Right. No, we all have to go through. Everybody's going through.
I'll go first.
Okay, you go through. You go through now, honey.
You
You want to go through now? There.
In the tunnel? Is she a bunny rabbit?
Hey! Now we're at the water thing. Oh! Squirt me. Footprint! Don't do it anymore. Do it on the slide, then it will be a water slide.
Yeah.
Right, go! Go! Go, honey! Woo! That must have been fun. I'm all sandy. Look at my leg. We better watch. Let's go wash it now. I'm not going on there again. Did you see? Look at me. Let's go wash it off now.
I'm the successful one.
I'm holding on to it just in case. I'm scared. Don't let go of the camera though. Okay.
Don't hold the camera. Me? Hey, make it move.
I'm going to wash it off now. Woo! Pop this on. Woo! Let's wash it off. Now it's washing. And there's a mini river. Oh no, there's no water in it. Let's get some water in the river. Push this button. There's no water. There should be water coming out. No water. Oh well. And look, this one. They're going to the water slide, so I guess I am too. I'm going to wash my arm off. There we go. Woo! That one stopped. I'm going down the water slide. Go!
Go, honey.
Woo!
Succeed.
tunnel.
I put water on the
Roundabout. She put water on the roundabout. Oh no. Whoever sits on it. Oh, that's burning! It's burning my feet. Whoever sits on it now is going to slip off. And a roundabout. Okay. I put water in the tunnel though. Woo! Let's take a look at what I did. Got some water here. Whoa! That is slippy. And it sure is fun. I only did this because I'm in my costume, otherwise I would get my clothes wet. But this is going to be a prank for other people, not me. Whee! Woo! I'm going to go get some more load and put some in. But Honey also put some on the slide, and it's so slippy as you guys saw. So whoever goes in it now is going to get slippy. Where are you putting it on now?
on one of the seesaws so that they can sit and
Yeah! Go put it on one of the seesaws. I don't know where Alice hasn't been in this video much. A bubble! Just our bubble. That is good. Let me test it out. Slippy! Oh my gosh, this is so slippy. No, this is for babies as well. So I'm going to break it if I get on it. So I'm not going to get on it. It's all wet now. Around. There we are. It's like a little lake in this tunnel because we put some water in it for a prank, didn't we?
Yeah.
This prank definitely works. It's so much fun. Grace, where are we going?
We're going to Wimpy.
Is that right? We'll see you guys when the yeah?
Yeah, we'll see you at Wimpy.
Now we're here at Wimpy, right?
Yeah.
Right, girls? Let's go inside.
Ice cream.
Oh my. Yummy.
Do you want strawberry sauce on yours? Oh, no.
Okay, so I'm eating mine. Grace, let's see yours. Grace over here is having hers. Honey, well, you got oil over your face, is having hers. And Alice is back there having hers, right? Yikes. Bee just went past and it feels like it went in this ear, went through my body, oh, hair, and right out my ear. But yeah, look how big this flower is. It's pretty tall. But yeah, gonna say goodbye now because today's been so much fun. Tomorrow's gonna be so much fun. Ew! When I step on this, I can feel water inside. Because there's supposed to be mini sprinklers shooting out. But we don't have the right attachment for our hose pipe. Just come over here. Hose pipe. So, tomorrow I'll give you a mini hint. It's what I'm walking on right now. Something to do with that. And it's also something to do with so yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed this.